I'm Japanese and live in the UK. In Japan, it is customary to eat squash at the winter solstice. Red beans also has a habit of eating at the winter solstice to avoid demon. This time, I'll introduce how to make simmered dishes using both of these ingredients. Scoop out the seeds and squash guts. Scrape all the skin in places. Cut it into the pieces that are easy to eat. Squash, water, and sugar in a pan. Cover with a lid and simmer until the squash is tender. I made a lid with aluminum foil so that it can be boiled well. Add boiled red beans, soy sauce, and salt, and simmer until the soup is low. Serve in a plate. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce simple Japanese food, so please like it and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.